Good afternoon, everyone. This is my report. Timeline of scientific and technological developments. 1796, first vaccine. Edward Jenner introduced the smallpox vaccine, which became the foundation of modern vaccination and disease prevention. Impact. Foundation of modern immunology. 1895, discovery of X-rays. Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays, allowing doctors to see inside the body without surgery and improving medical diagnosis. Impact: non-invasive medical diagnosis. 1946, Department of Health established. The creation of Department of Health strengthened public healthcare services and improved health programs nationwide. Impact: improved public healthcare services nationwide. 1953, discovery of DNA structure. Watson and Crick discovered DNA's structure, advanced genetics, and helped improve understanding of disease and treatments. Impact: advancement in genetics and medicine. 1978, expanded program on immunization. This program provided vaccines for children, significantly reducing the spread of preventable diseases. Impact: reduced childhood diseases. 2020, COVID-19 vaccines and telemedicine. The rapid development of vaccines and use of telemedicine helped save lives and increase access to healthcare during the pandemic. Impact: save lives and improve access to healthcare.